sorry that, I don't know what happened. I think the grass just hung up for me. So I'm gonna come down. Landed on the dirt. We have to go. So we're just gonna go inside my house. I was just getting my free time so I was actually gonna stay in my grandma's room. You guys, he was there. My heart is beating so fast. My heart is beating so fast. He was there. So this is just a vlog, you guys. I changed my mind. I had to leave my slimes there. The grass makes too much noise. Still gonna go see it. I still have some time to sneak back and get my slime. He saw me run away. I need to show him that I'm not afraid. I'm gonna go so quietly. You're not even gonna hear me. Going so quietly, you guys. I'm gonna have to slide down like this with all my slimes. I can't make a single noise. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. He scared me that bad. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna pause because I have to go in my mom's room. So yeah. Hey, you guys. So I'm back. He scared me that bad that I'm shaking. I have my candies here. I'm gonna get more for my brothers. You're not gonna see his room because you're still not gonna see his room. Still, my head hurts. I'm that scared. You guys, that scared me. I run like a little cheetah. That scared me. That scared me so bad. Let's just go in. I need to hide, you guys. I'm gonna go get a candy. Guys, I'll take 5 more minutes or 10 and I'm done, okay? Okay guys, so I'm all dressed and ready. My mom has to comb my hair. So yeah. I'm gonna